Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. It's the zero clearance fence. This so happens to be the Delta Cruze 12-inch. There'll be a link to the description of this product and our product in the description below. We noticed on this particular saw, it was brand new out of the box, that there was two problems with this saw, or challenges that you would have. One was that the fence itself didn't seem to be in plane. This isn't a machine straight edge, but it's a really straight piece of extrusion. You can see there's a little bit of alignment issues here. This fence seems to be a little bit further out than that one. The other thing we noticed on this one, and this is what you should check too, is to make sure once you have your fence, your factory fence is snug, to make sure that they are square. This one you can see it's a little bit out. How we remedied that was taking the back sides of the fence, our zero clearance fence, and putting this tape on the back side. On this one, because it seemed to sit a little bit behind the lower fence, the upper fence did, we just shimmed it. So, and to bring it square, we've got two pieces here, one and one. So the one piece brings the alignment upper to lower flush, but having two on there and one brings it square. And because this fence over here was sitting further behind, we went 4, 2, and 2. Now it should come out where everything is in line. So I'll go ahead and install my right fence first. All the hardware necessary to install these fences comes with the kit. You want to just start both bolts before you torque them. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and torque this. Torque. Now I'll install my left fence. Again, start both bolts before you torque them. Okay, now I'll go ahead and let the camera guy get back a little bit. We'll see that now our fence is in line. No more issues with it being out of parallel. And then I'll also show that the fence is square. So we got our fence square, we got it aligned, and now all that's left is setting the saw blade to the fence. And I'll do the right fence first. And I like to get one tooth in there, bring it over slightly, touch, and then bring it back. And then I'll go ahead and tighten that. That's clear. I'll go to my right side here, or left side I should say. Catch that tooth, bring it back a little bit, and then make sure you're clear. Got both the fences installed. That's the Easy Speedy Zero Clearance fence. We're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you.